scheduled for the next day between 11 p.m. and noon. This is your weather radio station west. North 74 operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 150 service office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert systems. We now return you to regular programming. Here is the